Hey crafters! It's your DIY guru Jin Mao here. Today I'm thrilled to show you this game-changing technique. Using the SK280 knitting machine, we'll effortlessly create gorgeous 3D Jacquard patterns. Simply insert the pattern card and switch to 2-color yarn for flawless, professional fabric with no loose threads. Even if you're all thumbs, you'll nail this. It's 10 times faster than hand knitting with zero effort. Let's make knitting pure therapy. Start by knitting a few plain rows. Side the carriage right to left for 1 row. Grab the pattern card with side A facing you, don't flip it. Flip it and your pattern will be upside down. Turn the knob to insert the pattern card, then remove the clip to connect both ends. The other side is done the same way, so we'll skip it. Now the row numbers on the pattern card are in order. Turn the knob to set the pattern card to position 1, then lock it by moving the lever to OK. Don't forget this step. Set the cam lever to triangle. Then knit 1 row left to right. This counts as 1 row. With these settings, you're ready to knit 3D Jacquard. Set the cam lever to T and adjust the density dial to 10. Set the lock lever to triangle. Push the 2 left needles to D. Knit 1 row from right to left. Move 2 right needles to position D. Move 2 left needles to position D, then remove and secure the main thread in the groove. Gently rock the carriage back and forth. Avoid brush snags. Switch to contrast yarn, thread it, hold the end and knit a row. Move 2 red needles to D, then knit a row. Move 2 left needles to D. Swap contrast yarn for main yarn. Push the carriage to remove contrast yarn. Keep tension on the yarn, or the pattern will be ruined. Move the right end needles to position D and knit 1 row. Switch yarn colors every 2 rows. Repeat these steps until you reach the desired length. Move both end needles to position D for even edges. The carriage auto-advances the pattern card. No manual flipping needed. Here's the reverse side, clean with no loose threads. This method is lightning fast, 10x quicker than hand knitting and easy on the hands. Pattern done. Snip the contrast yarn. Easy, right? Lock the pattern card at O and set the main carriage cam to O. Set the main cam to O and adjust tension to stockinette density 8. Knit a few rows with the carriage, bind off, and admire the front. The 3D Jacquard looks stunning. Even beginners can achieve a pro finish. Snap a pic and show it off. What should I try next? Let me know in the comments.